Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 5 in Microsoft Excel, and today we're going to start with what we call wrapping text and merging cells. Okay, so now whenever you have too much content in a cell to display, you may decide to wrap such text or merge the cell. Now what this wrapping text will do is that it will automatically modify your row height, and I'm going to show you now let's do wrapping text. Alright, so let's say I choose this cell, and don't forget this is A1. So let's say I type Microsoft. So I want to enter a content now. Microsoft Excel lesson 5. Can you see? So let me click out. Now you can see that this particular content exceeded this cell. You can see. So there's a way you can wrap it so that it will modify the row, so that it will cut from where the cell stop, so that it will put your content under it, so that it will look perfect, and it will be able to fit that place. Now for example, I've typed now Microsoft Excel lesson 5. What you just need to select the cell like this, then you go to your home tab, alignment, then you choose wrap text. Alright, so this wrap text we create, you can see it, Microsoft Excel lesson 5. Can you see it? So this wrap text we actually cut your content so that it will stay in a place. Now let's do another examples again. Now let's say we want to type United States of America. So let's just type random text. So let's say Saudi Arabia. Let's say Emirates, just example. So let's say we want to write Ghana. I'm coming. So all right, let's type Ghana products. Okay, now so these are the content now. So you see it exceeded it, so but there's a way you can cut it. So you just need to select all of them like this, select all the cell that you want to apply wrap text on. So you come here and choose wrap text, and you can modify the space. Can you see it? So this is United States of America. So wrapping text we modify your words, your rows, so that they will be able to stand well on it. Can you see it? So that is it. So that is for wrapping text, and I got my wrap text from alignment and wrap text. I hope you understand what I just explained. So it will cut it so that it will be able to stay no matter what you type. If you don't want it to be long, instead of increasing the column like this, we used to increase column like this. Instead of increasing column, you can cut it like this. So with wrap, then you simply need to just highlight, then choose wrap text. I hope we understand that. Alright, so now that is for wrap text. Okay, so now let's now check how to merge our cells. Now, Microsoft Excel has a feature called merge and center. Now, what do we use this merge and center to do is that you use it to, maybe if you want to create headings. So let's say I want to create, let's say income. I'm preparing a workbook on income and expenditure for the month of May. All right, so now income is for the month of May. You can see that this, don't forget, in our first class I said that this content, now this income and expense, is in this A cell, A1, not in B. Is not in B. You can see the content, anyone that you click, the content is not showing. It's not in C, it's not in D, it's not in, you can just be seeing that they write like this, but this A, it belongs to this A. You can see it on this place. All right, so now let's now do merge and center. This is my heading. I'm preparing a workbook for income and expenditure for the month of May, and this is my heading. Now you need to select, you need to know where you want where you know that you will use your workbook. You need to know where you want to stop your workbook. For example, I know that what I want to type will not exceed this J, so you need to select up to that J. Where you want to, like your document, you know that it will not exceed this